VR, that was amazing. Came from Digital Circus. I agree, Fox. If we're gonna make a third Digital Circus music video, we need to go 3 times as big. More characters, more locations, more effects. Money, money, expensive, bankruptcy. With budgets like these, you'll never have enough money to achieve your dreams. Wow, someone liked my pitch. Yes, it's perfect. Too perfect.
Not very, Fred.
Yeah, I know it sounds expensive compared to the old shorts.
But remember, quality over quantity.
Our last music video cost $100,000.
Really?
Well, quality comes at a price.
Unless you have some magic idea to lower the budget.
Freddie, we literally wrote a whole song about how content farming making the shorts decay.
Yeah, everyone respectable.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look, I didn't want to lay not so thick, but Tigger has gotten expensive. And for the sake of our future, we can't afford this kind of risk anymore. I'm sorry. We're going back to shorts.
Oh, shut up, guys. It's not like the world is ending.
The world is ending.
Oh.
My name is Future Freddy, and I'm from the future. The universe is in danger, and you're going to need my help to save it. Danger? What danger? Them. Them? Them. Bendy, Friday Night Funkin', Among Us. Ever since you started Fazbear and Friends shorts, the universe has been contaminated with IP from across the multiverse. If they aren't sent back to their home worlds in time, the universe will collapse as the sun goes black and the seas turn to boiling blood. And how do ye know this exactly? Experience is a good teacher.
He's telling the truth.
Well, doing that's gonna be a doozy, because nobody knows how to return back into their home worlds.
Everybody run!
What Scott's name did you do? I sent them home. Despite what your floating friend said, there is one way to return to your home universe. You die here, you respawn there. So what, to save the universe, you're just gonna kill all our friends? Of course not. Oh, thanks, Scott. You will. What? There are hundreds of rogue characters out there. I'll need the entire FNAF crew on the job to send them home before it's too late. Otherwise, you could kiss your hopes and dreams goodbye right now. Well, going back to shorts is off the table now. How long do we have? 5 nights.
Life can be beautiful, yet horrible when it throws you obstacles.
Oh yeah.
Cause you can't spell friend without it. Five golden opportunities to start.
Oh, la 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 la. What a beautiful day. Oh, is that a toy bear I see, or the fox?
And close all your doors. New ones will open once you've settled your score.
No. Wait, please.
If dark's before the dawn, try lifting
No.
above us. No imposters among us. If life is Undertale, then be beautiful.
Sans!
Throws you obstacles.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
After you don't need to pretend, cause you can't spell friend without an. Oh, yes.
Among Us. Among Us. Among Us!
Yes?
Civilians at 30 Fazbear's Pizza on North 7th Street. They have taken a bear hostage. I repeat, they have taken a bear hostage.
What's going on?
We have some unexpected holdouts. We don't kill those motherfathers, which is 6 a.m. We can kiss our assholes goodbye. I'll do it! I swear I'll do it! Come! There is no hope! Only the cold, empty void! I can't go back to the void! Drop this goddamn gun and release Freddy Fazbear!
Bendy, Baldy, paid for missiles to don't send you back home, otherwise the universe will collapse.
You're on! I've stared death in the face! We are going back home! At least on my command.
Alpha Green Bravo trying we have
Maloney! Let us go and the bear walks! Targets, people! I need 3 targets, green! You'll respawn in your homeworld. It'll be alright. How do you know? How do you know?
I'm gonna kill him, I swear to God, I'm gonna kill him.
Ready! Kill the lights. Execute.
Freddy, say something.
Bear hug. No fire and no brimstone.
And everyone's been sent back home.
We did it.
Got me real bad. Looks like school out.
Why isn't the woman and you're still alive?
I saw my class. I love them.
You said if anyone was left alive, this world would erupt with fire and brimstone. What did we just do? You killed them, Freddy. For real. You're a monster! You're goddamn right I am! I'm the monster that just saved you from a miserable future! This world is kind of risk anymore. I'm sorry. We're going back to shorts. We're taking over quality. Yeah, we got rich. But at what cost? February 2025. Digital Circus vs. Fazbear and Friends. September 2027. Skibbity Toilet Riz vs. Jumbo Josh's twin sister. August 2064. Bendy's Great Uncle Philippe versus the Mosquito Brothers. Whoopee, the Mosquito Brothers! Oh, you don't want to know. We lost everything. Our respect, our credibility, all because of the temptation of ease. February 2099. The Mosquito Brothers versus Quantum Larry. That's when I decided no more temptations. I stopped at Walmart and got a time machine. I was going to convince my past self to kill them all. So you didn't have to suffer the same fate as I did. Now, my mission is complete. I don't care what happens to me now. Roma! When the dust settles, you'll thank me for a lot of time. For now, it's time for me to go. Huh? You're right. It is time for you to go. I'm gonna undo everything. Freddy, do what you want with me, but for God's sake, don't be an idiot and bring them back. Look what it does to you. I've seen what it does to me. And it showed me that no matter how daunting it may seem, quality will always win over quantity. It's also shown me that I really, really don't want to find out what the Mosquito Brothers are. No! Enjoy that blast from the past, Fazhole.
We're proud of you, Freddy.
Oh, quick, now we just need to go back in time and bring our friends back. Wait, if we go back in time, the evil Freddy will just show up again! Yes, he will, and I have a plan for that. But we need to make sure we consider every time travel rule very carefully so nothing goes wrong.
Cheer up, guys. It's not like the world is ending.
The world is ending! We're gonna save it. In a moment, a future version of me is gonna appear and shoot Kane from Digital Circus in the face. But before he can do that, he's gonna land on this landmine, fixing the future but making the four of us disappear in the process. It's been an honor, folks. Here it goes! The world is... Oh, shit!
What?
No, we were gonna disappear.
Time travel.
What the hell just happened? Glad to hear you killed yourself and learned a valuable lesson along the way. Thank you, Kane from Digital Circus. I'm not exactly sure what we're all going to make next, but whatever it is, we'll make it with quality and integrity. Hey, I just realized you still have that time travel watch. Is that going to create any plot holes?
Let me tell you a story.
Reserved by his friends for killing them in an alternate future. They're cool at first, but so they thought about it for more than a second and were like, wait, what the hell? Murder is a crime. Fazbear insists he did it in an attempt to save the universe, but does Fazbear truly care about his friends? One thing's for certain. It's about to be one confusing escort piece. Members of the jury! Frederick Homer Fazbear and his cronies committed future murder! Not to, save the universe. Despair. But you know what I love more? Yes, yes! Would you not agree? Ladies and gentlemen, we didn't future murder you because we hate you. We were trying to save the universe. Yeah! Mr. Fazbear, are you telling the truth? Yes! Root. Well, if you're telling the truth, then snap your fingers. See? See? He lied!
Objection, Your Honor.
Hamburgers! This is ridiculous. What do you think they're gonna pull? Hello, members of the jury. Oh, Scott. You proved the theory that Freddy Fazbear is a natural-born killer. What? These what guys? Look, I promise we didn't mean to hurt anyone. Put yourselves in our boots for a moment.
Tall, millions of lives were at stake.
Oh, yeah. If billions of lives were at stake, would you not kill all your friends?
I know we would because we did.
Oh no. Can we rephrase that? Fazbear and his friends have been hereby sentenced to death! You killed us, so you shall be killed by... The Mimic from Five Nights at Freddy's Secret of the Mimic! Dear God. It's programmed to mimic the monsters you become. Bloodthirsty, fervid, hunted, buffoonish, dim-witted. Serves you right, you scallywag! Oh, we gotta save him. Afraid that he tried to make us look like the bad guys. We don't save him, we are the bad guys.
Oh, look it, we're saving the ink stain, boys.
You can't be serious!
I'm coming, buddy.
Yeah. Wow. Woo. Ah! Somebody help me! Somebody please. Do it, Frederick. Well, you can't have Fazbear and Friends without friends. You're scot dang right, pal.
Heartwarming conclusion.
Where's my Fazbear? It's been smart.
Officially back in the entertainment business.
Tell me, is that really how it all went down? It was worse than that, actually. Rolled back together, my friends and I are going to make the visual entertainment the biggest name in showbiz history. Believe me, when you get one plan, everyone's going to want to be a part of it. My dad, I believe we found our bear.
Next stop, Freddy Fazbear's!
Oh, Zog! I'm gonna make your Fazbear Entertainment the biggest name in showbiz history. Yep, that's going great. Business is booming. And man, those customers are so happy. This is just opening day. I'm looking for in the future.
Boo. Come on. Yap to me.
4 years and attendance has drastically gone down. So that was a no-no. Streaming quality is breathing us dry, and I just want to make people happy. Why does it have to be so hard to do the one thing I was made for?
Just gotta make lemonade, I guess. My dream was to be a superstar. But then I found you guys and never looked back. Okay, I still want to be a superstar. Guess I just killed my own point, huh?
No, I get it. It's just, I should be content with where I'm at right now, but it's just, And that's why you should never drink a giraffe. Oh, Scott! What in Scott's way? Your future has a Kazam! Business partners! LSE. What about you on the telly, my little sugar cubes?
And we're offering you lot the chance to be the
Biggest name in showbiz history! No way! What? You or your property damage wizards? Oh my god! Let's at least show them the courtesy of at least hearing them out. So, what's your, huh? What the hell? You've got the air of a bear with some big ambitions.
and pounds of paperwork.
My friend, we've been in the exact same position. We found a way to make it work. We're gonna let and grab it by the reins. We're gonna make it happen. We need a freak of magic. You can do anything. What exactly are you proposing? I'm glad you asked. We'll start by dialing it up with some new additions to wow the crowd and make them sing. Yeah, cause when you're with the magician, you'll find like to clown around and make a scene. You'll never be a raindrop in the rain. So let's all get it pouring. With a little flick of magic. You can do anything. When your time is up, go big or go home. Make your dream, that's the whole point of life. Run over the world and grab it by the reins. We're gonna make it happen. A little flick of magic. You can do anything. It's a deal. Isn't the smart decision to rush into my bear?
Do you truly want to be partners?
I do. Your future is sailed.
Come on, guys. 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 Come on, guys.
The mega expansion opens in 30 days. Customers will expect top-tier entertainment.
And if your jokes don't knock 'em dead, I will see to it that you are the one who is dead!
5 weeks and you will either be funny or you will be funny. Oh, I can't get this up anymore. I'm so excited. Oh, good heavens, I know, right?
And the person who can tell the funniest joke at the end of their training will receive a $15 Walmart gift card!
Ma'am, the way you throw at those recruits makes me want to join the ranks myself.
My God, your voice is terrifying! I think I'm in love all over again!
Oh, let's zoom out. Don't forget your rubber chickens, people.
I'm very suspicious about those blockheads! My circus sense is going nuts out!
Yeah, for sure. Let's move it, people.
Dong, she's trying to talk to you.
Ali and Kazama have been nothing but cheerleaders for us. It's fine, guys. Our dream is finally coming true.
Sorry, sis, Whoa.
I'm gonna win the funny competition! Win everyone's respect, then everyone will listen to me!
Yo, where is Among Us?
Violence is funny! Private Devil!
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Right now, you're all about as funny as a root canal, so you will keep getting smacked until that changes!
What do you call it, egg?
Sir, I don't know, sir!
A steamed vegetable, Private. Unbelievable. A drop and give me 20 knock-knock jokes.
Why did the chicken cross around me?
Ha ha.
Laughing right now.
Hilarious wipeout, my dear!
And that's why you should never drink a giraffe's milk after Christmas, sir!
Nice going, love. No idea what that meant. Once upon a time. Ooh, a story. There were two freaking suspicious people. Let's call them Ellie and Kazan. They pretended to be everyone's friend. But these people, you see, were up to something. Turning everyone into cheese? Stealing our livers? Maybe. But what they didn't expect was a professional detective was on their asses! Sorry, the detective. Let's call her Jo. Had a special sense that would go off anytime she sensed evildoers. Like this! And it was going nutso! Like she'd seen them before.
What is she talking about?
Ellie and Kazam thought they were safe, because nobody ever listened to Joe. But there's a twist. I am Joe!
Congratulations. You passed funny school.
Oh, only a true clown could come up with such a stupid masterpiece of nonsense! Proper showstopper, love! Next!
He's got this in the bag. What do you suppose he's gonna do? Everybody shut up.
Hey, Blueby! Look, I know you have issues with Ali and Kazam, but I'm confident everything's fine. Here, if it makes you feel better, I'll talk to them and see if everything's still shipshape, okay?
Okay. She remembers! They're not supposed to remember anything after the operation!
My darling, I assure you, there's nothing to fret over. When have I ever steered you wrong?
1998.
Ah, but did I not save us with flair? Trust me, my sugar cube. Everything always goes right. For us.
Kidnapping people and turned it into a game show because streaming is more lucrative than crime. And speaking of lucrative, 10 contestants are competing in today's Battle Royale for our 45.6 billion won cash prize. They dreamed of entertaining the world, so they gambled everything on a grand opening remodel. But now the bills are piling and the banks are knocking. Win big and they reopen with fireworks. Lose and it's bankruptcy with a side salad.
So, you're not worried I made the wrong move? Washington crossed the Delaware.
Moses confronted the Pharaoh.
They won big. Risk leads to history, my dear bear. Right, it's just, Bluebee's been gone for a while. I'm worried about her now. And, speaking of which, where's even Among Us? I haven't seen him since a couple days ago. Imposter Among Us, my dear boy. What?
Look, Freddy, Bluebee is bananas.
That was not entirely wrong.
We do actually know her.
Wait, what? How? Once upon a time. This be a battle royale. As long as one of us survives, we get the booty. Mom says sugar makes me bouncy. Ah!
He is not!
Kill the little brass boy!
Mom says I should not talk to strangers.
Slow down, Pumpkin, you're going too fast.
The rules are in Spanish. Ah! Ah!
He's up there.
Useless!
Cannonball Day!
Ah, we're back together, Chica. Oh, you smell. Be still, child. Oh no. Find the thing.
It's a bomb.
We're going to hell.
You want to win this, right?
In peace, preferably.
Then listen up! Bluebee used to roll with us! She was talented, wild, and unpredictable! But when it mattered most, she failed!
And then she forgot everything. Her mind blank. She can't do any missions now. Why are you telling me this?
Because you're dumb enough to keep going! And that's exactly what we need right now!
Well, then let's go do something dumb. Together. Mom says I swallow gum. It stays in my belly forever.
No, goodbye.
Uh-oh, a 9mm!
Yeah!
Main character energy. Side effects may include catchphrases, plot armor, slow motion, and random spontaneous soundtrack.
Soundtrack? Oh, he's right behind me, isn't he? Oh, Scots.
There's a song about fire!
Freddy Fazbear's about to win the Squid Games!
Oh no, it wore off. Mom says I... yeah!
What a disappointing loss for the Fazbear crew. Send them some good luck and maybe some exotic butters, because they're gonna need it.
Oh, Scott. Not the time, buddy.
Sorry.
Well, doing that's gonna be a doozy, because nobody knows how to return back into their home worlds. Shut the f up.
Dandy, Bob.
Alright, gamers, this is just to get the mic working. We go now. Goodbye.
Oh my god, no, man, he's dead. My wife. I miss my wife, Freddy. I miss her a lot. Goodbye.
Hello, everyone. I'm here to prove the theory that Freddy Fazbear is KAF. Imposter manners, my dear boy. Hey, man, I'm Joe. What? Hey, Papyrus. Can you pick me off the floor, Papyrus? Pick me up off the floor, Papyrus. Papyrus. Not gonna lie to you. I was great AF. Shut the f up, bitch.
Get your jacks toy.
Hey guys, I'm on crack.
1X is not skillful. This just in, local entertainer Frederick Har Fazbear is being put in jail for 1 billion years for disguising a strip club as a pizza place and showing nudity to minors. Wait, what the Bro, I'm just work here. What the heck is this? This guy deserves to die. According to this graph that I'm about to show you, Mr. Beast has over 9 billion times my subscribers. Hey, Bluebee. Look, I was just wondering, what level are you on Jason? I'm level 78. Wait, you're level 100. Okay, well, I gotta go do something over here. So, oh my god, did you just see that? That human just exploded. Oh my. It's not a human, it's a rabbit. Sam, shut up!
I'm made of ketchup and bananas, and that guy is not made of ketchup and bananas, but in tomato instead. Oh!
Mom, I passed my test!
Pop me, boy.
Okay, gamers, what is this? Holy shit!
Oh, Chica, no, don't wake me up. I'm here to steal all of your souls. You will no longer have them after this court session, you psychos.